Great success.
These shoes. Brand new steel toes for quarters. Steel. No labels, no nothing.
So flimsy, but they're safeties. Can you wear them?
Yeah, sure. Shatter test. Shatter test, take 2. Second shatter test. Just kidding, didn't hurt at all. This is the kicks per minute test. Take 1. Not a scratch. Nothing at all.
Go again.
Steel plate test, control group test, version 1. Good control though. Steel plate test, actual test, version 1. Fail. Tremendous fail. Test number 2, toe test. New shoe. Great success. Inside shoe test. Great success.
Let's go. This is a slip resistance test. In the rain. Not one spill.
Saw test. Held up pretty good. I wouldn't do that.
The new nameless shoe. Unreal. Caught 'em quick,